All right, y'all. I've been accused of being aggressive. I've been accused of acting unprofessionally. And I want to set the record straight. There's a difference between being aggressive and being assertive. And for too long, our entire industry has been passive, has been Tiny Tim. Please, sir, may I have another? And I'm through with it. So let me set the record straight. I'm not being aggressive. I'm standing up for an industry that's been put down and held down for way too long. Saying no is not aggressive. Saying no is taking a stand. That's not aggressive. Try this on for size. No, I'm not going to let you dictate my scope. No, I'm not going to let you dictate my pricing. No, this is not your client. This is my client. I will service my client to the best of my ability, to the highest standards of my industry. And no, you are not going to tell me what those standards mean. Don't misunderstand the rebel movement with some sort of disorganized, angry mob mentality. No. We are smart. We are capable. We are assertive. And we will take the stand that we have to take because we have been forced to take it. We are here to name our own price because we know what our costs are. We know the difference between taking a profit and taking a loss. We will not take a loss any longer. Oh, we'll give you volume. We'll make it up on the next one. Never happens. Never happens. I'll tell you what aggressive is and unprofessional is. Looking at a Facebook page and finding out someone's on it and telling them that they can no longer work for you or your program or your TPA because their membership in a Facebook group. That's aggressive. How about I'm going to tell your client not to use you because I don't like your way of doing business because you don't play ball the way I want you to play ball. I'm going to kick you off this job. I'm going to bring in your competitor to do that work. That's aggressive. Going out, finding a client, servicing a client, billing within reason for the job that was done, that's not aggressive. That's good business. So don't tell me the Restoration Rebels are aggressive. We're taking a stand that no one else wants to. No one else has the balls to. That's it. Have a good day.